We divide 621 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 3 is 6. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down these 2 and 2 times 1 is 2. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down this 1 and 2 times 0 means 0. On subtracting we get 1. So now there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 621 divided by 2 is 310 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.